Hi guys, good morning. This is Dr. Freddy again of Freddy's Farm. So, we've been away for 3 weeks and I would like to show you a, a view of our backyard. This is how Freddy's Farm looks like after 3 weeks without us managing and maintaining this small yard. Okay, so this is to say that really uh, it is different if the farmer, you as the owner, is really around supervising, maintaining, managing, and looking, over, watching over your farm. So unless our footprints are seen in the farm, I think the lesson there is we have to be visible and available in our farm if we are to make the farm productive, alive, beautiful, well managed, organized. Okay, looks like a small forest to me. Look at those grasses and look at our azolla. Okay, they're very thick. They need to be, in fact, we don't have our duckweed anymore. This is pure azolla. Used to be this is a duckweed pond. So you see, our duckweed were overtaken, overwhelmed by azolla. And again, this is another azolla pond. Luckily, we managed to separate, you know, isolate some duckweed in this basin. So we're going to harvest all this azolla and then introduce duckweed once again. Okay, look at our strawberry. They're so thick, they're not being maintained. We need to prune them. Our dragon fruit. Okay. You see now our cucumber, they have diseases. Yeah, our oregano, they're so thick, they're not pruned. Right? Trichantera cuttings, we're not seeing any progress with our grafted dragon fruit. Look, very bushy. Our super napier now is above our fence, the wall. Okay. We have overripe, rotten tomatoes there. Anyway, you get the idea. So, lessons learned as agripreneurs, it is crucial that you know our footprints are seen in the farm. Okay, we cannot rely on telephone farming. They won't work, never work, and of course never will never be a viable option for us. This is our yellow dragon fruit, golden isis. We will try to clean, you know, prune, cut the grasses, you know, reduce, transplant, change. I'll give you an update once I manage to restore back the glory of Freddy's farm. This is just after 3 weeks that we were gone. Okay. And I was even hoping that we will be seeing some flowers already of this dragon fruit. The date is December 13th, the 13th of December 2022. Um, in some places, I received some photos already from friends here in Kenya. They're giving me pictures and videos of their dragon fruit. They're already flowering since last month. But for us here in Nairobi, there are no flowers yet because look at the weather. It's still raining here in Nairobi. So maybe based on experience, we will start seeing some flowers almost end of December already. All right, guys, that's all for today. Just want to give you a view of our backyard after 3 weeks of being away. That's all for today. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Mungu awabariki. Kwaheri, bye, and take care.